in fact, I also have palpitation. I told you, right? Initially, it's very irritating, the palpitation. But 2 years ago, I went to see a Western doctor, heart specialist. Check everything, do the stress test, the scan of the heart. Nothing wrong with the heart.
But the heart palpitation. What happened?
The doctor can't tell.
No, but how do you feel?
I feel like not like now. I don't feel anything.
No. At that time, you feel what? What do you mean? Every minute, or once in a while?
Quite often. I mean,
quite often. Why?
Like I don't know.
The heart, and then stop.
And then I cough.
And
then I cough.
Okay.
And then I cough.
That was when was it? Before you went to see Chinese sensei, or 2 years ago? 2 years ago, you already had that problem.
After that, I stop. I don't know. I go to waterfall garden and exercise, and then it just go off. I noticed.
Alright, so 2 years ago you had this when you see the doctor, it did not seem to know anything.
Nothing.
You were coughing also. You were coughing.
Yes.
Then you stopped. You went to do the jogging and everything. You are walking, and then everything okay.
Slowly, it disappeared.
The thing disappeared. It took you how long to get it disappeared? 6 months?
Less than 6 months.
Less than 6 months. Then disappeared. So 2 years ago, after 6 months, okay, right, less than 6 months, okay, and then come back again.
It happened.
When was it? Last
May. This year, May.
May this year.
I feel I don't know. It's due to stress. I feel my whole stomach like bloating and all that, And then I went to see the gastro, the doctor.
The stomach not feeling good, and then messed up like that. And then,
like starting with that. And then
angin.
A bit angin. That's why
Then
cannot. I don't know whether something wrong inside. I better go and
see the gastro.
Gastro.
So what did the gastro say?
The gastro said, "Oh, you are above 50. You better do scope."
Do scope.
Top and bottom. I said, "Oh, scope." I said. At first, I asked him to give me some medication to see whether it will go off or not. He said, "No, you are above 50. It's better to do scope, advisable." So I did my scope. Nothing wrong.
He did the scope for you. He did the scope for you. Endoscopy.
And the stomach.
Stomach.
And then also do ultrasound of my liver, pancreas, and gallbladder or kidney or
Okay.
So
Nothing wrong.
And then I still don't feel, and he gave me Nexim medication.
What?
Nexim, Nexum, Nexim. And that one is very common for the stomach.
Okay. Then what happened?
So after that, my cough palpitation start.
Palpitation start. Before that, no palpitation. Then the doctor gave you the medication. So, but before that, no palpitation. And then start like. Then what happened?
Cough.
Before that, you have cough before. Both cough also.
To see what he only feel bloated.
Only feel bloated only. Then he give you medication, give you more problem there.
I don't know. Maybe it's still
palpitation and your cough. Okay.
I go to the Chinese medicine.
Why did you go and see the Chinese sensei?
Because personally, because
you
I
went
don't
to
want
Chinese
to go
sensei.
to Western because.
So you went to see the Chinese people, the Chinese medicine people, and then what they took your bowel.
Yes.
And what do they say?
weak.
Okay.
Weak.
So, what do you say?
伊讲 Chinese 啊，我心气，我人 very weak。And then why 心气啊，the don't know the chi lah, the chi lah of the heart is weak. That's why give me some ball all this like ball and all that.
Okay.
And
Then
then
you
cough.
Then cough. So you were still coughing. You still keep coughing also. Okay. You went to see the Chinese sensei. He say you lang, and then you also coughing. You were coughing. Your heart also palpitation. So he gave you the herb. What's it in the form of what? The raw one. The raw one.
Cook.
Yeah, you have to go back and cook.
Yes.
How long were you taking the Chinese herb?
18 days.
18 days. Every day, chit-chat. So, okay, then you take 18 times. 18 days.
18 days.
What
But
happened?
you change, you take Bay home, why phlegm still there.
The same time there. Okay.
And then the palpitation still there.
The palpitation still there.
And
Okay.
then I feel.
Are you feeling better?
No, that's why I come and see you. The inside
Okay.
all jammed up, I can feel it's not right.
Okay, then you came and see me. When you first came, your problem was coughing.
Coughing, and then I can feel like inside,
Inside your.
it's like jam, like not right. My whole person not right.
Oh, the whole person not right. After you came and see me, what we did was, you did this one.
And then you give me the cough.
I asked you to take the cough number 5, I think. Number
cough
5.
number 5.
Cough number 5, because it was white phlegm. Then after you took cough number 5, what happened to your cough?
After 2-3 days, okay.
2-3 days, okay. Oh,
So fast,
then no more cough. Then today, do you still have cough?
More?
No more cough. So 2-3 days a day, cao điểm now. Okay. Then what was left is your palpitation. Now what happened to your palpitation?
My palpitation today okay. No jumping.
No jumping. When was okay?
Yesterday slightly okay, but still
Got something. Okay. That was because I gave you something for your heart.
No, for my liver.
For your liver.
Sweet, huh?
Yeah. That means we did not start.
Detox.
Yeah. Alright. We did not start much. I wanted to test whether the machine helps you or not. So I said don't want to take anything
Correct.
until when
Last Friday.
Last Friday.
I took the liver too.
liver 2. So I gave you the liver 2.
And gradually I can feel the difference already.
Oh, you start.
My internal not so jam.
Oh, you
Like very tight.
before that was tight and jam. Then we take liver 2, it get better.
Yes.
It was the only herb I gave you, liver 2 only. Nothing else. So you only fish 1 week only.
Christian, 我 suggest 如果做這中醫啊。
Okay, you take liver 2, you feel better. Until so 7 time only 7 days only lah. 7 days. And you feel you are better or not?
Yeah, of course. I feel better. This one can tell also I'm better.
Okay, I want to know the one I never believe this. I believe you first.
I can feel
You feel better. You feel rasa better. Of course your cough cao點 within 3 days. cao點 within 3 days.
我有一項like 烘啊，
Okay.
真濟烘。
So now jam kalian ni liver 2 setiap礼拜ni getting better. Palpitation. Were you last time tut ah?
Yeah, and I lie down. Once a few days, I lie down. It's like jumping out. My heart. I quickly rest. Pong pang. I say, I pray. Of course, I pray to God. jumping.
Lucky the heart never jump out.
Wow, really hard.
How often do you get that kind of thing?
Oh, that one, if I stress, I do a lot of things, then it jump. So now I try to make myself more relaxed.
Yeah.
Even I lie down, I breathing, relax and breathing.
So now you're quite happy already. So what's your problem now?
A bit of home.
Home only.